This is a Duroc pig.
Ne na lo aputu
Durocs
pe
are
ba
very known
monga.
to be very prolific and very good animals. That's why you see their prices
Ya
be
be ke
high in
wonjo ka ya
Nigeria.
kwa ya ma ki kla
So
nonga.
once you have Duroc, because of the way they grow, the way they nurture, and the babies they farm. So Durocs are very nice animal. So this is a Duroc boa. It's very small like this. It's just few months old and it weighs a very good kg for its age. Very good. This is also Duroc. Female Duroc in the pen. Duroc farming is lucrative. So that's why you see some breeders sell piglet Durocs so they earn more. Because Duroc are very expensive. There's a big Duroc. Pregnant female Duroc. Of how big it is. And if I can't surprise, I tell you the age of this Duroc, you'll be surprised. Duroc are very nice and good animals. Very lovely and productive. Duroc farming. Duroc pig farm. This is a Duroc. Using the Duroc to cross this large white pig. So I'm trying to go interbreeding for Duroc and large whites to see how the piglets will come up to be. So I want to check how it's going to be. Duroc and large whites. Hope it's going to be a very nice breed. Call it can be
A male and female grower going to an info, so you can call for your own. Male is still available.
Yeah, so
All right, thank you.
that's
It's 30 kg plus.
pair with Duroc from
Thank you.
different parents. And this is also a Duroc, very calm, reserved, and loving.